Here's the truth. Nobody tells you about AI tools. Most people think you need to be a coder, a genius, some tech guy in a hoodie. Wrong. Totally wrong. You know what actually stops people? They try one of these AI tools. They run out of credits halfway through. Boom, stuck. Big subscription bill every month. Nobody wants that. Nobody. Here's the good news. Ki3 AI. Tremendous product. You describe it. It builds it. Websites, apps, 3D experiences, games. One sentence. That's it. Pay once. Use it forever. No games, no gimmicks. Zero experience needed. Beginners are building real things day one. That's a fact. Go check it out. theproductoasis.com. Look up Ki3AI or just click the link right below this video. And listen, if you like this, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe. You're going to be glad you did.